You want to read more books, but you're too busy, and buying audiobooks individually is just way too expensive. What if I told you there's a completely legal way to get Audible for free? Pick any premium title you want and keep it forever, even if you cancel your subscription. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process to claim your free trial and maximize your credits. First, let's talk about the Audible free trial. Most people don't realize that Amazon offers a 30-day trial that includes one free credit. If you are an Amazon Prime member, you might even be eligible for 2 free credits during your trial period, which means 2 permanent books for $0. To start, click the link in the description. Once you're on the page, look for the Try for $0 button and sign in with your Amazon account. Once you've signed up, you'll immediately receive your credits. Now here is the secret to keeping your books forever. Audible credits are yours to keep. Once you use a credit to purchase a book, that digital copy stays in your library permanently. Even if you decide that the monthly subscription isn't for you and you cancel before the 30 days are up, you do not lose the books you bought with your trial credits. I recommend picking a long book or a bestseller to get the most value out of your free credit. Think titles like Atomic Habits or Project Hail Mary. Before the 30 days end, simply go to your account settings and hit Cancel Membership. Amazon will often offer you another free month or a discount just to stay. So if you're ready to start your library for free, use the link below and grab your first audiobook today. Happy listening.